I gotta finish my round from the other day. It's a bad idea. It's raining. It's still a bit windy, but it's really wet. I, again, am the only idiot out here. Not gonna fit. Love that. Wow. Brand new disc. Flex, come on, flex, flex, flex. I just ruined my birdie chance. I wasted a good drive. That was a wasted opportunity. A little inside. Very short. It's a putt from there. There it is. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh yeah. Stay harder. Oh, that branch. Close. That branch blocked me. That was gonna be in. That's not good. Do it. Go in. All right, chill. At this point, everything in my bag is just drenched. All right, here's Crovette. Ah, it slipped. Damn it! I crushed it, but it slipped. Ah, and it's rolling. It's not a good roll. Flex. Flex. Okay. Woo! Hit the post! Post. That's a par save. Too overstable. I'll par from there. Ah. 387 uphill through a gap. In the rain and the wind. Wow, there's no power. Headwind. Thank you. Rain and wind are picking up. Oh, wow. The wind just got that. I'll get hard. Ah, slip. That's an unfortunate bogey. Thank God this is the last hole. Oh yeah. I'll birdie from there. Alright. That's how you end it. Well, that was the back nine. I played the front nine earlier. It was a very windy round and it started to rain and the park ranger kicked me out because of time. So I'm glad I got to finish the back nine. It rained heavily and I would say that was more challenging. I think it's because I'm forehand dominant and forehands slip more when they're wet. And also I throw with overstable discs in general. So they handle the wind much better than understable discs. So I think for my game at least, I'd rather play in the wind than the rain.